Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to come on and share a surprise happy mail from my friend Maka, who is Maka's home. Hey girl. Oh my gosh, I was very surprised when I saw this box, and here it is. It is so cute. I was extremely surprised. Um, my husband told me that I had some stuff out, or I had some packages, and I was like, yeah, I know. I walked out there, and I'm like, oh, I, I don't know about this one. Um, so let's see. Oh my God, look at the goodies! Oh my gosh. So I already looked in this. I didn't really go too far into this package, but I did look at this. Look at this, guys. And she used some, oh my gosh, is it too bright in here? Or is it just reflecting? But this is the, I think it's a dye um, pouch, and then she used that, what do you call that, for melting the plastic, to make this shaker envelope. Isn't that cute? And then it has a card inside, so I can reuse this if I wanted to. Monkey, you're gonna have to tell me where you got these bags. I would love to make these. These are so much fun. Okay, so look how, oh, it's a birthday. It's a birthday card. I mean, I don't know why this surprises me. But yes, the month of September is my birthday. It's September 29th. And oh my gosh, wow. Thank you for thinking of me. Oh, she made it where I can reuse it. Oh, cool. Look at that. Handmade and created with Aloha by Makalani. Aw, thank you. And then she says, Happy birthday, Tereese. Hope you have a fabulous day, filled with love and memories. Cheers to many more birthday celebrations. Thank you for being a subby and have a happy birthday. Aw, thank you, Maka. This is really surprising. I I don't know. This year is it's the big 5-0 for me, and I don't know. I just think it's just an any ordinary day. I don't think it's anything spectacular, but oh my gosh, you're making it really nice. So I love this. Look at all these cute little things she added. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna play with this like forever. Okay, so that was the card, and I don't know what's inside this thing. It's so, oh my gosh, and then she has all these punch outs. Oh my gosh, little, you know, all these punch outs, butterflies, flowers, stars, some confetti, and oh, how cute! This is so cute. Look at this little bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, she put some little goodies in here. Oh, look at these embellishments. I'm sure she made them. These are really cute. I love it, Maka. Thank you. And then in here, there's a pen. It's like a glittery pen. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not even showing it. Jeez. Oh, so cute. Put that right there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yay! She's giving me some dark chocolate Ghirardelli. Oh my gosh. And some herbal tea. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. It's like a scavenger hunt. You have to take a look. Aww. Oh, look how pretty these bows are. Hold on. I think it's just way too bright. Uh, okay, there we go. Tone it down a little bit. Jeez. Oh, I love them. They're so pretty. What else did she? No, she's made. Oh, she's made some envelopes for me. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, how cool. These are these tassel bows, I think. I'm been I've been following her, and I know I saw her make these, so I love the different colors. Thank you. I'm gonna have to look back and see if you've done a tutorial on these, because I would love to make these. Okay. Oh, and I have to go through this shred to get all those little bits and pieces. So here's something with this cute paper clip. What she got me. Ooh, look at these socks. Oh, great. You know, I've been wanting a new pair of socks. Thank you so much. Oh, I love that. Let me fold it again so it'll fit back in here. Yay. Oh, you really didn't have to do this, Makas, but thank you so much. You're so sweet. Oh, okay. So, ooh. Oh my gosh, there's stuff in here too. What is this? Sweet shimmer. Yeah. Oh my gosh, my eyes are not the way. You know, when you turn 50, nail polish something. I think it's little bitty nail polish. And my cute, I love the packaging. Look at the little cherries. Okay. And then she has some, lovely. Look at the little bitty ladybug. And she gave me a whole bunch of them. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, and then, so she gave me a whole bunch of them down here. Oh my gosh, this is a mirror. Love it. I always need a mirror in my purse. Oops. Okay, how do you figure that out? Oh, duh. Do I just lift it up? Or do I have to swing it open? Duh, Tereese. Oh, you used to see me. There I am again. All right. All right. I knew I shouldn't have done that with that mirror. Oh my gosh, Maka, thank you so much for these wonderful goodies and gifts. I'm just surprised that you remembered my birthday. I really, truly appreciate it. I love everything you send. And a little treat. That is so nice of you. Thank you so much. And I love these bows. So pretty. Okay, guys. So thank you, Maka. I appreciate it. I'll have Maka's channel down below, so you can go check her out and give her some YouTube love. And she's just a wonderful person, as you can see. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.